other junction.
Well, like it's been mentioned, a lot of collaboration has been put in place. And from my own side, we have men on ground. We have well over 250 men from last month. Even the GM last month is there present. The whole idea is to ensure that, yes, there will be some bit of discomfort, like Mrs. Keisha said, but we'll ensure that we make it as less stressful as possible. With the collaboration with police as well, that of course guarantees safety as well. So I'm sure we'll be good. Thank you.
Okay. Please, sir, we need your words.
It's going to be very, very effective. Our men will be here to control traffic, also not only to control manage traffic, but to ensure that no form of robbery or attack to motorists. We are going to secure the road effectively because we know there will be long stretch of traffic. So our men will be everywhere and we make sure that the exercise is seamless without problems. We only appeal to members of the public to cooperate with our men and to bear with us for this period of diversion.
Thank you, sir. The commissioner. Traffic that is the major issue.
The Commissioner of Police has already told us the kind of collaboration we're going to put in place. There's going to be 24 hours observatory. There's going to be enforcement. There's going to be guide for motorists. Not just to enjoin motorists to please be patient and obey every traffic rule and the traffic managers on the road. As many as possible. There's going to be a kind of spillover effect of this congestion occasioned by this diversion within the main city. So we'll be everywhere. All our personnel will be on duty. All logistics will be put in place to ensure free flow of traffic in Lagos State.
Your name and designation, sir?
My name is Babatunde Farin, the sector commander, FRSC, Lagos State.
Thank you, sir.